involves financial risk and is not suitable for all investors. Past results do not guarantee future performance. By texting
Ford
Demo,
Ranger
you agree to
trimmer
the terms
today.
available at VantagePointSoftware.com/disclaimer.
December 31st,
And consent to
Denver,
receive
Colorado.
calls and text using automated technology or pre-recorded voice event offers.
Like a dream. I'm doing like 52, and everybody else back there doing like 2 miles an hour, and I took the ditch.
Traders, listen
Got
up.
around a
With
few of
volatility,
them.
earnings
Obviously,
data,
I'm
and
up
inflation
front now.
concerns, it's almost impossible to guess what the markets will
Things
do
like
next.
hauling
With Vantage
butt.
Point, you don't have
Just
to.
told me to
Want
keep
to see
moving.
how the smartest traders pick
So,
their stocks?
I'm up
Text
front.
the word demo to 813-813 to learn how
I had a
our
Dodge
AI
1500
analyzes
Ram.
millions of data
It'd
points
never
per
do
day.
this.
Text the word demo to
Guarantee you.
813-813
But
to
this
learn
Ford
to predict
Ranger
stock
Tremor
market trends
2021,
up to 3 days ahead with incredible
it's awesome.
accuracy. Whether you trade stocks, options, forex, futures, or crypto, Vantage Point's patented
it's
artificial
sliding around a
intelligence
little
can
bit,
give you
but
a massive edge. Text
overall, it's a
demo
pretty
to
good truck. I'm doing
813-813
like,
and learn how to protect
50
your capital
something.
and maximize gains. Don't wait. Text demo to 813-813.
49. So,
Your news, your headlines every 15 minutes. This is Fox News
Better put a
Headlines
topper on it.
24/7.
pretty good truck.
45 minutes now past the hour. I'm Tom Graham. Here's what's going on. Well,